Hi guys, I'm David and this is Jeanette. Together we are Low Range 4x4 Adventures. For the last few years we have been doing some epic trips to amazing locations across Australia. Subscribe and like our videos and hit the notification bell to join us on our adventures. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram.
Oh, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. 23 days we've been off the road. We're back on the Belfer track heading into Belfer. New engine, poorer, a lot poorer. Buy a shirt guys if you want to support the channel. That'd be awesome. We were gonna wander in and have a look at Belfer town, but we just come across some guys that had just been in there and they've adopted us, and we're going to go do the Climies track in the next couple of days with them. So we're going to give this a miss today, and we might come back in here another time when we come back up this way. Hey guys, we're just going on to the Fat Man ferry to go across the Pieman River at Corinna. So heading towards the other side to find a nice camp before we head to the Climies in the morning. So this is the Fat Man barge across the Pieman River, guys. Pretty famous for when you're going to the Climies track and places like that. It's the only way to get across the Pieman River and down to Zeehan this way. Tuesday. No, Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Love it when you can't work out what day it is.
Yeah. So as you can see, we are back in the Colorado. Happy days.
23 days off the road in Smithton. We've got to thank Chris and Pip from All Wheel Services. Those guys, while they didn't do the job on replacing the engine, they treated us like family. They gave us somewhere to stay. They gave us a car to use. They were just unreal.
Yeah, they spoiled us.
They spoiled us rotten.
Yeah.
So we headed south out of Smithton yesterday. We were going to go into Belfer, the old Belfer Township, which is where we were headed when the car broke. We started heading in there and come across some people that said that the welcome in there from some people that were squatting there or whatever was pretty not friendly. So
pretty ordinary.
Yeah, pretty ordinary. So we sort of had a chat to them, and they were going to do some of the things we were planning to do. So we've hooked up with them. We came all the way through the Western Explorer, and every campsite was chockers. We got to Corinna, and that was busy, so we come across the barge and went through to Reestam. We camped there last night. That's a lovely little camp spot there. So the dam was nice. Jeanette had a swim this morning. Crazy woman.
It was beautiful. Dave's just a silver.
Yeah, says the girl who was then standing there with goosebumps the size of watermelons all over her.
Exaggerate.
We've made our way to Zeehan and set ourselves up at the little camping van parky thing in Zeehan for the night. 30 bucks a night, nice little spot, and we're just going to spend the rest of the day wandering around checking out some of the sites in Zeehan. So there's the Spray Tunnel here, which is an old railway tunnel. You used to be able to drive through it, but you can't anymore. But we're going to go and have a look at that. There's a heritage centre here. It's just a beautiful town too, so we have a bit of a wander up and down the main street and check the place out.
So this was a train tunnel built through or dug out through the through the hill here, to get silver and I think tin and that from this area through the hill and then down to the town. So they called Zeehan Silver City back in the day.
The silver spray mine.
Yeah, so this was for the silver spray mine. There's 370 leases pegged out here in 1890, so there was a hell of a lot of mines around here. So we're just wandering in now to where the works were for the mine, the spray silver mine.
I think they're called stampers in here somewhere.
Yeah, there's possibly some stampers and stuff still left here. I'm guessing this is the mine shaft over here, being all fenced off. It's can't really see how deep it is. This here is actually a working model of an ore dressing plant.
Let's put our dollar in and see what happens. Hopefully something, otherwise we're making a donation, which is fine.
She gets up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more, but tells a lot of stories about a youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But her shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old.
Hey guys, so the other day we came into the West Coast Heritage Centre in Zeehan. We did most of the stuff inside. There's heaps and heaps to see here. So today we're just going to do what's outside, go and have a look around at the buildings and things. We paid our admission fee. I think it's like $25 per adult. There's family rates and things like that. And they said like you can use it for up to a week when you're here, so pretty good value. And you probably do need a couple of days to take it all in, or as much as you want to. So yeah, let's go and have a bit of a wander around outside. So these are the little jail cells. I think they were relocated from somewhere. They were built in 1935 and used up until the 1970s. Originally from the police station at St. Mary's, and they were donated to the centre here.
Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old.
It's believed to be the original loco that travelled up and down Main Street and around Zeehan from 1907. Huh, look at the door, there's all brands on it.
Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our our heroes will break you.
All aboard. Start shuffling. Okay everyone, we're going to wrap this video up. We've had a really nice couple of days around Zeehan. We caught up with some old workmates from Survivor. We've done the Climies track, and today we're off to do Montezuma Falls track, but we're going to put them in a separate video. So Climies track was amazing. It was so cool.
It's a track that just never stops.
It was a long day, but we're super keen to put that video together because we just loved it. It was so much fun. A little bit of carnage on the car, but that's what those bar things are for.
That's it.
Yeah. So guys, do you think, Dave?
Alright guys.
Oh, I meant to say, we are, after we do the Montezuma Falls track, we're going to head south. We're going to go down to Strawn and Queenstown, and we've got a couple of trips, touristy things booked there, which should be pretty cool. Okay, so thank you for everyone who's subscribed to our channel. We really appreciate you guys. Appreciate you sending us comments and stories and everything. It's fantastic to hear. We love reading those things.
So if you haven't subscribed yet guys, hit that subscribe button, ding the notification bell and throw us a thumbs up. That's awesome. Comments, questions, we love them. So we'll catch you on the next one.
Yeah, stay safe everyone.